We are going to continue now with the Good News Bible, and we were using the smaller one I showed you before. This will be Good News Bible 3 and will be in the Bible folder. Now, what's interesting about this, as I was telling you before, at the bottom of the page of the small one and the bigger one, they will have some good sections that will show you how different translations treat something. Now, for example, in the book of Psalms, we are reading here and we look for the letter K. When we're reading the Psalms, we'll find a letter K in here, and it will say, probably text will bow down to him. Hebrew will eat and bow down. So you see, it shows you in there what text may be different. Now, for example, if we go to Psalm 24, called The Great King, and then we look at this, it says the Hebrew title, a Psalm of David. So you see that difference right there. And they do this all the way through where there are translations that you could look at from a different kind of translation. One ancient translation, like a cedar of Lebanon, the Hebrew is unclear. Some ancients translated Hebrew as Hebrew title, a Psalm of David, a lament, Hebrew title, a Psalm of David, and so forth. So it will show you there the different translations with different possibilities. And as I also said, below that, they have what are called cross references. Now, as you know, this is a thought for thought Bible, not a word for word Bible. Therefore, if you take that and take it to the other book that it suggests, you will get another section that has the same thoughts, not necessarily the same words, which are very good. Now, that section is not in the larger one where it has the cross references. But in the larger one, it does have some places where it'll show you the different translations. But it will not have the cross references at all. And what it will have, though, rather than that, it will have other things which are actually articles. So, for example, if you're reading in the book of Isaiah, and Isaiah's message to the king, then you'll see an article on the right called Hezekiah's Water Tunnel. Now, that is a whole section on that all by itself, and it goes all about who it was, what the date was, what the size of it was, what it was for, and it will give you other places to actually look for it in the Bible other than this book you're looking at. So that is a cross reference, but this is an article. We will continue soon.